Hi, hello. How are ya? Chef Kennedy here. Today we are celebrating my 1-year YouTube anniversary. Is that a thing?
No.
In my very first video, I served up a delicious mac and cheese, and today we are doing a new and improved version of this comfort classic. I hope I always mac you happy with my cheesy puns. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off with our cheesy sauce. In a blender, take 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/2 tablespoon of miso, and 2 tablespoons of tahini. Blend on high. Now that that's blended, we're gonna add it to a small pot, cook it on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes until thick. Time for a dance break. Now that that is looking so creamy and luscious, it's time to assemble. So we're gonna take our cooked macaroni, place it into a baking dish, and pour our cheese all over. Look at that Velveeta creaminess. Now you can just mix it up and enjoy the sounds. Time to add a cheesy topping. We're gonna take 1½ cup of vegan cheddar, 1/3 cup of panko breadcrumbs, a pinch of salt, a crack of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of EVOO, and 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. Mix it up and place it all over your mac and cheese. Now we're going to cover this with foil and bake it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Remove it from the oven, remove the foil, and then broil it for 3 to 5 minutes until bubbly. Okay, so here we have our mac and cheese, and it's time for the taste test. Yum. This is the perfect mac and cheese in my opinion. I love how creamy and rich it is, and then that cheesy crispy crunch of the top. Love that. Well, thank you guys so much for the support over this past year. It's really meant so much to get positive feedback in what I'm doing. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. It really helps to get my videos out to more people. Well, from my kitchen to yours, Chef Kennedy out.